So probably with this guide, I'm going to fix the issue for you on how you can fix the LG C3 if you don't have sound. So this is something that you want to do. This problem occurs when the TV gets an update and does not get rebooted and then runs out of memory. The fix: first, turn off Quick Start. Then turn off the TV using the power button under red light, not by using the remote. So do this. Unplug the TV from the surge protector. Now hold the power button for 30 seconds. So you want to press and hold the power button. Then you want to plug it back in and turn the TV using the same power button on the TV. And it should be fixed. And when you get an update, turn Quick Start off and turn the TV off to allow the update to occur and unnecessary files to be deleted. So I hope based on this guide, you know how to actually fix the issue that you have. And I hope it was helpful because I like to make like these quick guides for you on what you can do. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.